Hey guys, it's John again. Thank you for tuning into another one of my YouTube videos. Today we're going to be reviewing the Forever Sharp steering wheel that I got for my 82 Jeep Scrambler. Let's see what's in it. So I already took out most of the bubble wrap just so y'all can see what comes with. They sent me 2 stickers, 2 air fresheners. This is the steering wheel cover. I got mine plain because I didn't have a Jeep one, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it laser etched later down the road. And for the awesome steering wheel, I went with a tan cover because that's gonna sort of reveal the color I'm gonna go with the Jeep later down the road. And this comes as a 2-piece. This tan actually does not come installed. It comes with a couple of Allen screws that hold it together, which I thought was really cool, because if you want to go ahead and get this piece powder coated or paint it a different color, you can. And it comes with your Forever Sharp logo. It's a 5-bolt system, which is perfect for mine and most classic vehicles. It's gonna go replace this ugly, old, worn out steering wheel, which at the time probably worked great, but for now, it's definitely not cutting it. And for this process, we're just gonna be using it's either 1/8 or 7/8 Allen key. And that's what fits perfectly in here. I already broke torque on these, so it'll be faster for the video. We're not going to be reusing the same hardware. They actually send brand new hardware, brand new everything that you need to use that's in the box. I already took it out, have it ready to install. You want to be careful when taking it off that you don't just let the steering wheel go and rip out all your horn wiring. Alright, so as you're going to see, this one does not have any wiring on it. The previous owner ripped these plugs out and completely removed the wiring in mine, which I actually have a new harness coming in. So later down the road I'm going to get that hooked back up. But for those that are going to be installing their factory wiring, which is going to be most of you, you're going to be using these prongs right here, which actually comes with instructions on it. Right. So it actually comes with instructions showing you if it sits like this, you're gonna have your wire from your column going to the bottom one, and this one's gonna be for your ground. So it's really hard to mess up, has a perfect picture for you, and you can't mess up. If you want to take the horn assembly apart, it comes with a simple C-clip. But for most users, you're not going to mess with that. You're just going to go strictly into the install process. So for those of you looking what the wire comes with, it comes with your wire and your new hardware to install. So let's go ahead and pull that out. There's your wire. Hooks up to your column and your steering wheel horn. Like I said, I'll be installing that later, not at this moment, but it's really not hard to get it in. It's really hard to mess up. So for this process, you want to make sure that everything's lined up before you go ahead and install it. So go ahead and get the first hole, second. course, you can get these powder coated if you don't like the chrome look. For me, it's not going to matter right at the moment. Later down the road, I'm going to change the whole black surface to match the rest of the Jeep color, and then leave the tan cover. And that's it. So that's going to be your forever sharp steering wheel install for a 1982 Jeep CJ8 Scrambler. Now that's not vehicle specific, but this will basically cross over to any classic vehicle. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please subscribe and watch many more that I make. Thank you.
It's caught in the crossfire.